Hi, I'm Jeannette Gerber. As the founder of Smart Test Prep and Transformative Learning, I invented and established learning processes that enable our students to take ownership of their academic experience through habit-forming, goal-oriented work. Now, how do we do that? Well, since my background is in finance, I was able to use all the analytical work that I used to do to establish these processes.
Well, first of all, we look at being curious, then practicing what we've learned, processing what we've practiced, collaborate with our parents and teachers and tutors, and all together, that helps us develop failure immunity. Doesn't that sound cool?
We're recording these videos because of you. You've asked for them. You, my students. You've been telling me year after year after year, visit after visit, you've been telling, Jeannette, why don't they teach like this in school? I don't know. I don't have an answer to that question, but here it is. Teaching that explains why things are what they are. Teaching that asks and answers smart questions. Enjoy.
We're going to start with the use of commas. Why do we use commas? Welcome to the Smart Test Prep Masterclass on punctuation. They is a pronoun. What a pronoun does is it replaces a noun or another pronoun or whole phrase. But they, what is they? Who is they? They is dogs. So the dogs, we will call that the antecedent.
The best way for you to learn these concepts is to take notes along the way. And to that effect, we have created some highly effective and super convenient worksheets for you.
Guys, what's missing here? The main part. We don't have the main part of the sentence. Now, you might think that you just can't start a sentence with because. Well, you actually can. No problem. You can start a sentence with because, but it's not going to be the independent part. Let's go to the worksheet before we actually go and fix the run-on in 6 different ways. 6 different ways, I believe we do that.